What is GRC, Governance, Risk, and Compliance Explained? GRC stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance. It is a framework that organizations use to manage decisions, reduce risks, and follow rules. Every organization uses technology, but without proper structure, security decisions can become unclear. GRC helps organizations stay secure, organized, and legally compliant. Governance Explained. Governance focuses on leadership, direction, and accountability. It defines who is responsible for security decisions, how policies are created, and how those policies are enforced. Governance ensures that cybersecurity aligns with business goals rather than operating in isolation. For example, governance decides how sensitive data should be protected and who is accountable if something goes wrong. What is risk? Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and controlling threats and risks to the organization. These threats could be financial pitfalls, legal consequences, cybersecurity threats, commercial liabilities, management errors, natural disasters, and other accidents. Risk management processes typically rely on internal audits and risk assessments to identify critical gaps and areas of significant uncertainty. Risks can arise internally within essential business operations and processes, or externally out on the broader market. Organizations often assign various risk management elements to individuals, including IT security leaders, business analysts, finance officers, and the governance board. A robust GRC framework can help ensure that all risk management activities align with the organization's ultimate goals and objectives. What is compliance? Compliance means meeting legal, regulatory, and contractual requirements. These requirements can come from government laws, industry standards, or customer agreements. Examples include data protection regulations or security standards like ISO 27001. Compliance helps organizations avoid fines, pass audits, and demonstrate trustworthiness to customers and partners. Working of GRC. GRC works as a single framework that connects governance, risk management, and compliance. Governance sets the direction by defining policies, standards, roles, and responsibilities with oversight from leadership and the board. It ensures security and compliance efforts align with business goals. Risk management then identifies potential risks, assesses their impact, applies controls, and continuously monitors them so decisions are made based on real risk instead of assumptions. Compliance ensures that all policies and controls meet legal, regulatory, and industry requirements. This includes managing audits, maintaining documentation, and reporting compliance status. Supported by frameworks like ISO 27001, NIST, and COBIT, and implemented using GRC tools and platforms, the GRC process enables organizations to manage risk proactively, stay compliant, and maintain accountability across all stakeholders. Top 5 GRC tools. RSA Archer GRC, one of the most comprehensive enterprise GRC platforms, strong capabilities in risk management, compliance, audit, and third-party risk. Servicenow GRC, integrated into the Servicenow platform, great for policy, risk, and compliance automation across IT and security. Metric Stream, large-scale GRC solution with strong governance, risk, compliance, audit, and policy modules, used by many global enterprises. SAP GRC Enterprise-grade tool suite, especially strong for SAP environments, excellent for access control, risk analysis, and compliance reporting. Logic Manager flexible GRC platform suited for risk, compliance, and audit workflows, good for mid-sized organizations and robust documentation. In this video, we explained how GRC, governance, risk, and compliance works in real organizations. In the next video, we will explore why GRC is essential for modern organizations and what happens when it is missing. All the GRC tools mentioned in this video are linked below in description for easy reference.